Oh, hey, yeah. On the rich line. Yeah, yeah. The rich life, rich life, oh, living the rich life. Yeah. Oh, rich life, living the rich life. Oh, living the rich life. I want a boat, I want a yacht, nigga. Want a bulletproof car, nigga. Want a motherfucking jag, nigga. Bentley, a flying spur when I ride, nigga. I want a family too big, nigga. I want a place, nigga. I want a big ass place, nigga. A recreation place, nigga, for the kids, nigga. Probably make some barbershops, cut, swag, doctors on the block. Got my nigga Dr. Cars, make them Dr. fucking cars. Hit the neighborhood. Good grind, keep it good, nigga. Sherwood, y'all niggas know the Sherwood. If I make it to the top, I just might take over the whole pop. I got some visions in my head, reminiscing. Visions of me falling and enjoying, living the rich life, living the rich life, living the rich life. I might be down here, but I'm gonna make it. Stay prayed up and keep my faith in my rich life, living my rich life. Oh, living my rich life. Living stages I go hard, nigga. Hit the stages going hard the Lord, nigga. Talent and gift is from the start, nigga. Rapping sweat, yeah, I go hard, nigga. Let my flow on my chain, my cosmic flow. Do it fast in the tempo slow. Yeah, I make the flow, nigga. Get down and knock it out. I told you that we both were going now. I got the niggas and the ladies round. Everybody know about the cloud. When I come, ain't no more G's in town. Hit the rapper, hit the bowling scale. Bitch, I go harder than the decibel. It's a flash in your phone, it's a texting bell. Nigga roll, I hit my money and I text the scale. I got some visions in my head reminiscing. Visions of me balling the joy and living the rich life. Living the rich life. Living the rich life. I might be down here, but I'm gonna make it. Staying prayed up and keep my faith in my rich life. Living the rich life. Oh, living my rich life. Yeah. Say my voice, but the bitch, the real sound go hard, man. Y'all check me out on Moet G465, all cap, you know what I'm saying? On Facebook, you know what I'm saying? On Moet Sean Dunn G. Big color, you know what I'm saying? One day at a time, I hold it down. I'm just giving y'all a taste of one of my songs called Rich Life. Most of the words were bleeped out because I didn't say all of them because shit, they wouldn't fit. You know what I'm saying? With me saying my flow, you know what I'm saying? Most of them is ad-lib, but that's just really the way I compose the songs go. So y'all, you know what I'm saying? Hit that hoe, let me know what's up. You dig? I'm about to do Mr. Hell of a guy, nigga. Yeah. Save my voice, I gotta show you. Yeah. I'll let y'all. Man.